After his grand alliance with the Janata Samajwadi Party, the Nepal Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli reorganized his cabinet on Friday, and with this alliance, Oli managed to whiz past the magic number of 136 in the lower house of 271 seats. The Nepal Prime Minister has now appointed 3 deputy prime ministers in his country. 10 Janata Samajwadi Party leaders have been included in the reworked cabinet led by KP Sharma Oli. 2 out of the 10 JSPN leaders have been appointed as state ministers. President Bidya Devi Bhandari administered the oath of office and secrecy to the new cabinet at Sheetal Niwas, which is the office of the president. The special economic advisor to the Prime Minister, Moti Lal Dugar, told WION that there are currently 7 portfolios under Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli, including Defence Ministry and Home Ministry. Dugar said the portfolios under Oli will be reassigned to other leaders in the coming days. Prime Minister Oli has 3 deputy prime ministers in his government. Bishnu Paudel from UML, who will also handle the finance portfolio, Raghubir Mahaseth, who will also be a part of the Foreign Affairs Ministry, and JSP leader Rajendra Mahato, who will head the Ministry of Urban Development. CPN UML General Secretary Ishwar Pokharel was the only Deputy Prime Minister in the previous government. Sher Bahadur Tamang has replaced Hritayesh Tripathi as the new Health Minister. JSP leader Sarath Singh Bhandari has been appointed as the new Energy, Water Resources and Irrigation Minister. Earlier, the ministry was led by CPN Maoist leader Bahadur Ramaji. In the trust voting held last month, 12 out of 32 JSPN lawmakers had voted against Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli. The Upendra Yadav faction of JSPN has said that Mahanta Thakur, Rajendra Mahato, Lakshman Lal Karna have been expelled from the party, while the Mahanta Thakur faction of the party has also expelled Upendra Yadav from the party. And our correspondent Saloni Murarka has been getting us the very latest, sent us this report. Take a look.
Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli has reshuffled his cabinet and has replaced the Health Minister and the Foreign Minister, the 2 key officials who had been leading his government's COVID response. Mahanta Thakur-led faction from the Janata Samajwadi Party has finally decided to form an alliance with the government. With this, Oli removed some of his own UML leaders from the cabinet and appointed a few and replaced a few with the 8 new ministers and the 2 state ministers from the Janata Samajwadi Party. Mr. Oli appointed 3 deputy prime minister, one Raghubir Mahaseth, the second is the JSP leader Rajendra Mahato, and the third is the UML leader Bishnu Paudel, who is also the finance minister. Currently, Prime Minister Oli has kept 7 portfolios with him. Well, we'll have to see this this reshuffling of the cabinet has come just ahead of the November's election that was announced by the president. Saloni Murarka for WION, World is One in Lahan, Nepal.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.